You've heard of the Gigabyte Gaming A16, but have you heard of the Gigabyte Aero X16? You can think of it as a slightly cooler version of that laptop. This is the Gigabyte Aero X16, and despite its thickness, or thinness rather, it manages to pack a punch with an RTX 5070 with 8GB of VRAM, as well as a Ryzen AI9 HX370 CPU. But of course, this will come at a cost, especially on the graphics side. That said, let's take a look at the performance you can expect with this laptop. We're starting off with a competitive game, Counter-Strike 2. At low settings, we're getting an average of almost 300 FPS, which is very smooth and responsive, and certainly more than enough for the laptop's 165Hz display. Next, we have Cyberpunk 2077. At ultra settings, DLSS set to balanced, and we're getting an average FPS of the low to mid-70s, which is pretty playable for an FPS game. And lastly, we have Red Dead Redemption 2. At ultra settings, we get an average FPS of the high 40s to the low 50s. But why the lower figure compared to that of the gaming A16? Well, it all has to do with this laptop screen. Instead of a 1200p display, this specific Aero X16 uses a 1600p display. This results in a much sharper and clearer picture, but can also be slightly more demanding on the already handicapped RTX 5070. The RTX 5070 on this laptop is the same as that of the gaming A16, having a maximum TGP of only 85 watts. The Aero X16 covers 100% of the sRGB color space, which is vibrant and accurate for content creation as well as for watching movies and whatnot. As for ports, this laptop has an Ethernet port, an HDMI 2.1 port, 3 Type-A USB ports, a Type-C USB port, and of course a 3.5mm audio jack. This laptop currently costs $1,600 and it's at its lowest price for the past 90 days. The Aero X16 is a laptop focused towards creators than gamers. Of course, thanks to the Ryzen AI9 processor, which can help out with various tasks and activities. The 1600p resolution also technically provides more screen real estate with a 16-inch display, which again is particularly important for content creators. This laptop comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM as well as 1TB of storage. Both of these have 2 slots each, with which you can upgrade in the future. Overall, for $1,600, this is a good laptop to get if you need something straightforward, sleek, and gets the job done. If you're interested, you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!